In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a text box in PowerPoint. This is a handy trick to know, especially when you're designing slides that need a creative touch, or when you're trying to align text with other elements for a more polished look. Let's dive in and walk through this simple process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and do so. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the specific presentation you want to work on. Open that presentation and head over to the slide that contains the text box you wish to rotate. If you haven't created a text box yet, simply go to the Insert tab, click on Text Box and draw one on the slide. Now find your text and click on it. This action will highlight the text box. You will notice a rotating arrow, also known as the rotate handle, appear just above the text box. This is a key element that will allow you to rotate the text box freely. Take your cursor and hover over this arrow until you notice it turns into a circular arrow icon. This visual cue tells you that you're ready to rotate. Click and hold the rotating arrow. Once you've got a firm hold on it, move your cursor in a circular motion either to the left or right, depending on which direction you want the text to tilt. You'll see the text box start to rotate as you move your mouse. Keep rotating until the text box is angled to your satisfaction. If you're wondering, there's no one right way to rotate the text. It's all about what looks best for your presentation. A small tip to keep in mind: while rotating, you might notice the text box snapping to specific angles. This is a helpful feature that PowerPoint provides to help you align elements neatly. However, if you want absolute precision or freedom in rotation, you can hold down the Shift key while rotating. This disables the snapping feature and offers seamless, smooth rotation. Once the text box is in the right position, release the mouse button to set it in place. And there you have it. Your text box is now rotated. Feel free to move it around on your slide to see where it fits best with other content. By following these steps, you can add dynamic angles to your text in any presentation, making the overall design more engaging and visually appealing. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your PowerPoint presentations and encourages a bit of creative experimentation. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!